movie Dostan is really a good one. Amitabh Bachchan is very handsome in this movie, and there's a scene where Zinat Aman is in a swimsuit. She is looking gorgeous, out of this world, with green cap, and the movie actually starts with that. She is in a swimsuit, and there is Painter who whistles, and then she reports it to the police station, and Vijay is the cop at the station. But this I really didn't understand. Just for whistling, you cannot put somebody behind bar, and Painter is imprisoned for just folly of just whistling. In India, in anywhere, any part of the world, we are free to wear whatever we want, and it's up to the viewers to exercise their own self-control, not to get excited. I mean, I don't know how to explain, but yeah, whatever. So this movie actually revolves around two friends, very good friends, close buddies you can say, Shatrughan Sinha and Amitabh Bachchan. Both of them fall, Vicky and Vijay. Both of them fall for the same gal, and she is Zinat Aman. But Zinat Aman is in love with Amitabh Bachchan, Vijay. But later on, when the truth is unearthed about his friend falling for his love, he withdraws his steps, and he wants them to be together. But love is not something which you can divide between friends, right? If she is in love with Vijay, if Zinat Aman, then why will she settle for Shatrughan Sinha? Later on, even Shatrughan Sinha could, in between there were skirmishes, there were kind of differences between the friends, there were misunderstandings, and there's a villain as usual. But in this movie, Amrish Puri is not, Amrish Puri is, works under Dhaka. He is the villain, Prem Chopra. And there is Helen as well. So these three are in the notorious gang. They keep playing pranks and they keep creating trouble, as in other movies, smuggling and all that. But they are finally put behind bars. But Shatrughan Sinha is the person who is not, who is somewhat involved in a few of the illegal activities. But Amitabh Bachchan never questions him. Neither does he. Like both of them have their separate work. They don't interfere in each other's work. So in the last scene also, there's a helicopter, there's a plane side by side, and all of them are defeated. Even Amrish Puri passes away. Even Dhaka, he is also, like Prem Chopra, he is also killed. But usually Amrish Puri doesn't look nice working under anyone. So finally the miscreants vanish, and the truth about his affair is also unearthed. So he also feels that it's not the proper way when Amitabh Bachchan and both of them love each other, so both of them should unite. So the love pair, they come together, and then the friendship continues undeterred. It's 5 stars, especially the bikini scene.